guys, so this is the overall finished look of this unit. I want to say thank you to OMG here for sending me the headbands. Now these headbands are actually really cute, guys, very basic for everyday style looks, and luckily the blue one that they sent me actually matched my top today, so I was super excited about that. So this unit is very simple, guys. I believe it's about like a 12 or 14 inch. Don't quote me on it, I'll leave all the links down below, but it's a perfect length and it's a kinky straight texture. Now with me, you guys know that I do not leave my edges out or anything like that just because I barely have edges. So headband wigs, they're kind of like more for people that have like edges and stuff like that, but I like to get them anyways because I like to kind of do different lazy styles. Now with this one, I actually made it a little jazzier by adding the bang. So all I did, as you guys see, just take some of the front hair and pull it back like this. I did go ahead and use a few bobby pins just to secure it on the side right here, just to make it look overall natural. Now this ends up looking really nice, guys, and it is a headband wig, so I don't have to do all that baby hair magic and stuff like that, and I still come out with a pretty cute hairstyle. Now I did show you guys me doing it like a ponytail and then a bun style, and I actually felt like the ponytail and bun style was actually really cute with the bang sweep like this. So I think that's going to be kind of like my go-to look when it comes to headband wigs, especially with this type of texture. Because this is a kinky straight texture and it has a lot of volume, it looks more realistic, if you know what I mean, without actually showing parting space and stuff like that. So that's one reason why I really like this unit. The overall look came out nice. I feel like the texture is basically what sold me on the unit, and the fact that I can actually pull the hair over and do kind of like different styles, and I can actually, if I want to, cut like some little bangs in here and that still would be cute. So even if you have a big forehead, it's okay. Headband wigs will still be able to work for you because it could work for me. So I'll leave all the information down below per usual, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from omgherhair.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.